everyone. We're here in Chinatown. Chinatown, right?
Yes.
In
No, it's not
near-
Chinatown, but a Chinese restaurant.
It's like Chinese restaurant, and then we order some seafood, fried rice, and this one pineapple fried rice
With shrimp.
with shrimp, with cashew, and then we order also with fish and what is this? Papaya salad also. I will
No,
try.
we can show later.
Yes.
Now so many Chinese people sit here because it's a Chinese place. Many. Guys, and most important why we go to this place, because so good internet here. I try to upload a video in hotel room, but don't have. Oh, we already have fish. Tilapia. This is tilapia.
I don't know.
Yes, it's for you, Shaira. It's for you. $250, Georgi.
Yes.
Same $250. This is big tilapia.
I double check first, okay? Can I take it first?
So we go into
Here.
this restaurant. Very good internet. Very good. And very close from our hotel. Because all night I try to upload video to YouTube. 7 gigabyte. I upload 4 hours. 4 hours. But now for 2 minutes I upload. So very fast. So we will go to this restaurant for upload video and also eat. This food is good. Price is okay. Price is maybe same like in another places. But internet is really high speed internet. So I upload video from my Galaxy Fold. I use for edit video and for upload video Galaxy Fold. I not take my laptop, MacBook. Always if I traveling, I use Galaxy Fold for upload, for edit video and upload video. So not need to take heavy. It's tilapia.
Eat.
Yes, I don't know what is this.
For tilapia.
It's for tilapia. This one for tilapia.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's for you.
Uh-huh.
You put there, near to you.
Nice. What? It's good.
Go try the orange.
Hmm?
Okay.
Good, Georgi.
Yes.
Masarap in Tagalog. I don't know how to speak in Thai language. Shaira also don't know, but it's very good. Okay, I will eat. I will eat now because also hungry. We all day walk. We eat today only in McDonald's. Maybe 2 p.m. No, 3 p.m. we been in the McDonald's because we Georgi been in the post office and we eat in McDonald's, and that's why we hungry right now. We finish it and going to night market. So many people here sit. So many Chinese here. Nice.
So we just finished already eat here, and then we're going to night market, and I will find some things for me.
For you?
And also we
Not
can-
not hot for you, Shaira?
Right now it's little bit cold because
Not cold, not cold.
No, because I drink some cold drinks. So
Mhm.
I need to cover my body. Maybe I can sit faster. But it's good food.
Yeah.
I tried the papaya salad here, the fried rice, Thai food, even their fish. It's so good, but it's not expensive. For this price, you can eat together with your friends. If your friends not eat too much, that's okay.
Soho Town is a good place. And fast internet.
Oh yes.
I upload all video from yesterday.
Internet 500 megabits per second.
500 megabits?
500.
Yeah, it's good. In hotel impossible to upload video to YouTube. Impossible. This long time need wait. Later we come back to buy fruits, mango. When already we finish in the market, night market. So we're going to night market. Georgi, Adidas. Have Adidas. Hi?
Maybe I can check tomorrow.
Yeah. Pattaya map, Shaira.
So where are we going? Where we are? Where we are?
Maybe
This one. Here.
here?
We're here, Central Marina.
Central Marina, yes?
Yes. So
And we need to go to the night market.
this one.
Night market.
No, it's night market.
Yeah, it's police station, police station. So, I don't know, maybe this area.
This one.
Okay,
So how many?
okay. Another. Tiffany show? This one? It's a Tiffany show. Transgender. Okay. From the club. One girl already drunk. Already sleep. Chinese seafood.
You know, I feel I'm not eat.
So you want again eat? But it's so much.
I feel not eat.
Georgi? Shaira said hungry again.
I feel not hungry. I feel full.
Not full.
It's only here. Part. But the other part here not full. Full.
Massage. Chan massage.
Most of people they think, oh, Shaira not eat, but you see it's so many food.
You eat really so many.
But my food is only here. They are here only.
I
Not
don't know.
until here.
Maybe need wait, huh? Shaira, what? You find gold?
Don't have gold here. And it's
But show what you find today.
there. But at
Okay, show to me.
this one,
No, hold like this. And the road.
yes. But I don't know if it's because it's so heavy. Pearl fig it's not so heavy. And
Central Street already.
we did the straight forward.
Yes, we will straight. Thai people without helmet, foreigner with helmet. Yeah, most of Thai people here not use helmet, but foreigner use helmet here. Another street. It's hostel. Hostel. How to say?
Cesar
Caesar Palace.
Palace.
Good palace.
That's not good.
Oh, dog. Shaira afraid dog. That is good dog. Someone lost? No. No. You take a look up.
Yes. And
Sexy Dima. Sexy. Russian name Dima. It's Dima maybe lost.
What is that? Phone?
Phones. Yes. Phones K.
Maybe we can ask the police.
No. Not touch. Okay?
Ah, in Thailand you cannot touch it.
No. Better not touch. Not only in Thailand. Everywhere. Not touch. If you touch, you have fingerprint inside in this, and they said you steal. Understand?
Okay.
Not touch.
ท้องอื่นเราไม่ต้องกินนะ
I don't know what brand of what car. Mazda? Oh, it's small Mazda. Okay. So many people here for what?
card. So many foreigners here.
Night market. Closed already.
เอาพี่วิ่งบอลนะจะทำไมในรถอ่ะ
Closed already. So it's not it's day market maybe name. Closed. So long time we walk.
And my food in my tummy don't have
We
already.
walk.
Night Bazaar.
Night bazaar. Night time close. Shaira walk. How many kilometers? I don't know, but maybe we now soon 1 a.m.
You know what?
Maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes walk maybe.
You know what?
What?
I lost my food in my tummy. And right
Okay.
now, I need to eat.
She said again won't eat.
I need to eat food.
Fruits we can eat.
And
Massage. Huh?
Drink coffee. 7-Eleven. I have coffee in the hotel.
In hotel have coffee.
Yes, eat one.
What is this? Street also? It's hotel.
So we can go already.
No, we're going to buy fruits.
Have food, so
Hi?
Soy bakal.
Soy bukao?
Это...
I don't know. Maybe we walk? I don't know what it's. No, little bit walk, but it's okay. We already near. Вот, you showed because I don't know where soy. Bukao, bukalo.
don't have
Maybe
people.
next day. Another day.
Next day tomorrow.
Okay.
It's
Yes.
already late.
Okay, not problem. Also have fruits here. Everywhere have fruits. Everywhere. So many girls waiting jeepney. Many.
Waiting to put.
Yes.
But I'm waiting to buy.
Okay. Fruits, okay. Ой, назад. So many waiting jeepney.
You know, how you know if it's
Oh, Africa. From Africa. Valera. Nicholas like. Shaira find money. Okay. How much? 1 baht.
but
Okay. You always staring and floor and want to find again.
because I see,
Okay.
you know, it's so lucky if you find some money in
Yes.
the road. 1 baht can buy. I don't know.
It's about maybe 2 peso. About 2
So can
peso.
buy 20.
Oh, maybe.
I need 180. Ay, may nakapagka.
Oh, it's all street with massage. So noisy. So noisy, I said.
Jerry, you want 1 baht?
1 baht should fine.
Oh, fine.
Soy tortin. This jeepney or not? Not the same? Shaira, go inside. Right.
如果明天有卖的，就到水晶塔浮潜的时候拍一下。啊，没有的话就看。啊。
Заплатишь или нет?
Before he say he give to you not correct?
Yes, he give 20-20, but need 20 and 50.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go another side. Again, come back. Again, we will buy fruits. Georgi, what you bought? Durian, how much?
250.
250 baht?
Yes, this
Oh, very small and 250 baht.
you can choose another.
Have small also. This is 340. 340. Oh. You will eat at hotel room. Not allowed, Georgi.
Not allowed durian there. You not seen? You have penalty if you
No,
not
I'm
eat.
not allowed.
No, all.
But
All. Durian. Yes, I have penalty, I think.
because I eat everything. If I bring this this part, smell, it's not allowed. But if I bring for I can eat immediately.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
This one is right.
Rancang tawar.
going to hotel now. Now 1:40 or 1:20 in hotel already.